Cheers to learning, understanding, here's to in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you've probably heard in movies, TV shows, or maybe during a toast at a celebration. We're talking about, here's to. It's a small phrase with a big impact, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's raise our glasses to knowledge and dive right in. When we say, here's to, what exactly are we talking about? This phrase is actually a shortened form of, here's a toast to, and it's used to express good wishes, congratulations, or hopes for the future. The word, here, in this context means, in this place, or, in this moment. And, to, is used as a preposition that introduces the person, group, or thing being celebrated or wished well. Here's to is most commonly used during toasts. Imagine you're at a wedding, and someone stands up with a glass in hand. They might say, here's to the happy couple. But it's not just for formal occasions. You can use it in everyday situations to express hope and well-being. Like saying, here's to a great weekend, on a Friday afternoon. Remember, what follows, here's to, is important. It's the focus of your good wishes. So, after, here's to, you'll often hear names of people, here's to Sarah, groups or things, here's to our team, abstract ideas, here's to success. Let's look at some examples to see how here's to is used in different contexts. Celebrations, here's to your new job. Farewells, here's to our time together. Expressing hope, here's to finding peace and happiness. Acknowledging effort, here's to all the hard work we've put in this year. By varying what comes after, here's to, you can adapt the phrase for nearly any occasion or sentiment. Now that you know what here's to means and how to use it, try coming up with your own sentences. Maybe you're toasting to a friend's achievement or just expressing a hope for something better. It's a versatile phrase that adds a touch of class and emotion to your speech. And there you have it, folks. You're now ready to use here's to in your own toasts and well wishes. Whether you're clinking glasses at a wedding or simply wanting to express positive sentiments, this phrase is your go-to. Here's to your English learning journey. May it be as fun and rewarding as ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!